Hello, assalamualikum, sasriyakaal, kemcho, mahjama, kasakai, marhaba. Welcome to Danish's Kitchen Vlog. तो जैसा कि मैंने आप सब तमाम दोस्तों को एक चैलेंज दिया था. Yes, today I would like to give a challenge to all the YouTubers out there. If you can make the fastest pancakes, अगर आप बहुत जल्दी पैनकेक बना सकते हैं मेरे से जल्दी, तो आपको मैं एक मेगा शाउट आउट दूंगा मेरे अगले वीडियो पर. तो जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, here's the pancakes. So my challenge is to make the fastest pancake than me. So let's not delay and let's have a look how quickly I can make pancakes. So to make quick pancakes, you need pancakes, berry, maple syrup. I bought all these from the shop. So we're going to put it in the toaster. And toast it up. And now the maple syrup on top of it, just like that. Now we're gonna sprinkle the berries. And there you go, pancakes are done. Simple, easy and fast. So what I want you guys to do is make the pancake and make sure you send it to me on my Instagram account, or you can share it with me on my Facebook account. So I want to see who will make the fastest pancake then. और जो मेरे नज़दीक टाइमिंग पे होगा उसको मैं मेगा शाउट आउट दूंगा. All I'm going to say for now is thank you very much and enjoy your day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Danish's Kitchen Vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon button. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So all I'm going to say for now is take care and Khudafiz.
Danish, where's my pancakes gone?